Why I start learn English and why you start learn English. By the end of this video, you will exactly know that why you should start learn English and why I start learning English. So let's get into the video. This is day 4 of my English speaking journey, and today I want to share my experience with you that I am learning English day by day, and I am not perfect. I'm also learning English. So, the question is why I started learning English. I started learning English because English is not a language, is it's a skill, and as we know their skills can be learned at any age. English helps us to express ourselves. It helps to build our confidence. English also helps in education and in online works and for jobs and for better future. Earlier, I was scared of making mistakes in English. I was thought that my English was not good enough, and I was afraid of making mistakes and speak wrong English. But I realized one important thing that if I don't speak, I will never improve. So if you want to improve your English and if you want to learn English, you have to make mistakes. If you don't mistake, you will never improve. My biggest challenge is confidence. Sometimes I know words, but my tongue feels stuck. I also worry about grammar and English words pronunciation. But I understand one simple thing that everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers makes mistakes. So if you want to learn English and if you want to build your confidence, so make mistakes. If you don't mistakes, you will never speak confidently, clearly and fluently. So if you want to build your confidence, if you achieve your confidence in English language, you have to make mistake. As we know that mistakes makes perfect. Someone asked me, why are you wearing a mask? I want to say something clearly that learning English is not depend. Someone asked me, why are you wearing a mask? I want to say something clearly. Learning English does not depend on showing your face. It depends on practice. Even with a mask like me, you can learn, you can understand, and you can speak English. So, my belief is I think uh, my voice matters more than showing my face. Practice comes from perfection. If you practice, you can speak English, you can learn English, you can understand English. Now, what I practice today? Today, I practice small, easy English sentences, daily conversation, and speak English clearly and loudly. Like I'm learning English every day. I build my confidence. Um, I practiced English on daily basis with clear and fluently voice. Like everyday English makes you perfect, makes you fluent, and makes you natural in your in English language journey. So if you are watching this and you feel shy, then I want to say this like be confident in English and keep your journey consistently and learn English on daily basis. This makes you perfect and believe in yourself and stay consistent in your daily routine and learn English. Thank you so much.